In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle duplicate contacts in GoHighLevel. Keeping your contacts clean and organized is really important if you want your automations, campaigns, and reporting to work properly. Duplicate contacts, especially ones with the same email address, can cause issues like people getting the same email twice, messy tracking, and confusing activity logs. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple, safe way to find and remove those duplicate contacts from your GoHighLevel account. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your main dashboard. From here, go to your Launchpad. This is usually the starting point where you access all of the main tools inside your location. Make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where the contacts you want to clean up are stored. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the Contacts option in the menu and click on it. This will open your contact list, sometimes called the Smart List. Here you'll see all of your leads, customers, and any records associated with that account. You might want to use the search bar or filters to quickly find duplicate entries, for example, by searching for a specific email address that you know appears more than once. When you've identified a duplicate contact, look at the checkbox on the left side of that contacts row. Click on the checkbox next to the duplicate email that you want to remove. Take a second to double check that you're selecting the actual duplicate and not the main record you want to keep. A good habit is to keep the contact that has the most complete or most recent information and delete the others. With the duplicate contact selected, go to the top of the list and click on Delete. GoHighLevel will not remove it immediately. Instead, it will open a confirmation window to make sure you really want to do this. This is a safety feature to prevent you from accidentally deleting the wrong contact. In the confirmation box, you'll be asked to type in the word delete in all caps. Carefully type delete to confirm that you understand this action will permanently remove the selected contact from your list. Once you've entered it correctly, click on the delete button again to finalize the process. That's all you need to do. You can repeat the same process for any other duplicate contacts. Over time, regularly cleaning up duplicates will help your GoHighLevel account stay accurate, easier to manage, and far more reliable for your marketing and sales workflows.